Hello students, today we will start chapter 5 applying formatting effects on MS PowerPoint. Okay, so what do you mean by formatting? Formatting means changing the appearance of the text. You can enhance the look of text by changing the font face, font size, color, specifying the alignment, line spacing, inserting tab and indent, and even applying bullets. So all these includes in formatting. Okay. Next is working with Slide Master. So the Slide Master is an element of the template that stores information including font style, placeholder style, size, position of the text and object, bullet styles, background design and color schemes. All these things can be done with the help of Slide Master. And Slide Master consists of two placeholder: slide title placeholder and body text placeholder. Slide title placeholder is the first placeholder which consists or contain the title of the page. You can move the title placeholder anywhere on the slide. Okay. And next is body text placeholder. This placeholder includes journal objects like text with bullets, charts, pictures and many more. Next is changing color scheme. You can change the color of this particular slide or all slides of the presentation. For that, what you have to do is just go to Design tab. Here in the themes group you will find these themes and color, fonts and effects. Choose color from this group and see, as I am just moving my cursor, the color is changing. Okay, I can select any one of my choice. Okay, here I am selecting this one. Okay, while selecting the color you can also apply these to all and apply these to selected file. What you have to do is just right click on that particular color, apply to the matching slide, apply to all slides, apply to selected slides. Okay, you can choose any one of these. Fine. For changing background color, you have to click on the Design tab. Here in the background group you will find two options: background style and hide background graphics. So click on the drop down button and you will find few options. Okay, and if you don't like it, you can click on the format background. Okay, and you will find various styles. Okay, and this dialog box will appear. If you want only color solid fills, then you can just click on that and you can choose any color from these. Okay, for example I am using light green. Okay, and you can increase the transparency, okay, of the color. See, now the background is light as comparison to the previous one. You have to see the difference in the background as well, which I am changing. Okay, and you can click on the gradient fill. Okay, you can set the color. Okay, see, and how you want it to be. You can choose its path, shade from title, rectangular. Okay, type you can choose, and direction from bottom to right corner, from bottom to left corner, from center. Okay, and you can choose the colors where it stops. Okay, and out of these colors, and you can click on more colors as well to select from this, and you can apply to all. If you don't want it, you can reset the background. Okay, if you want to add pictures, you can add anyone. See, there are various textures also. You can choose. You can see the changes in the background as well. Okay, and if you don't want anything, you can hide background graphics. Okay, and you can fill patterns like this. Various lines are drawn in the background. Okay, and you can, when you are done with the editing or you have done with the selection of the background, you can click on apply to all. Okay, and here in this pattern fill, you can also change it to different color. Here I am using light blue and green. Okay, you can choose, you can see, and later on click on apply to all. Fine, see here all the slides background are same. Fine, and later on close it. Next is creating a new custom layout. You can create a custom layout that perfectly suits your slide content. You can customize that layout by adding text specific and object specific placeholders. For that, follow these steps. Okay, first of all, click on the View tab. Here you will click on the Slide Master. Fine, and you can click on any of the blank layout slide from the list of the thumbnail layout. Okay, and see, you can see this insert placeholder option. Okay, click on the drop down button and you will find various options. You can choose any one out of these. Okay, if I am clicking on the clip art, okay, you can insert clip art. Okay, or text, just drag it and you can write any text. Okay, fine, there are many options, you can choose any one of that. Fine, this is how you can choose various things to insert. Okay, to insert content, text, picture, anything you want out of these. Fine, and after that you can click on the close master view. Fine.